Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to make image you want. And in this video, we creating from ChatGPT and put into Google Drive. First of all, we need to add a submission to get your choice image, and we need to add on from submission and add image. In this, we need to add a name, food, emoji from submission. Sure. Okay. Here's the name, and we need to add on this. We need to add all the title and everything. We need to add submit food item, and in this we need to add enter food name you want, and you can create your food and everything. In this we need to add a food emoji without you like a generate, and in this we need to add in place order we need to add a green apple. And okay, we need to save it, and the requirement field is required, and we need to start it. Okay, it's execute, and here we go. All the things was good, and we need to cross it and stop. Okay, we need to back, and in this we need to add edit field. Here we go, the edit field was here, and in this we need to add JSON form. Okay, in this we need to add JSON form. Okay, in JSON form we need to add this URL code that is too long. Okay, here is the code, and we need to extend it. Okay, we need to go on big page, and you can get a screenshot and everything you want. Okay, we need to see. Okay, in this we need to add more things, like we need to add in this we need to see edit field was manual. Okay, in this we need to add. Okay, we need to see it carefully. Okay, we need to delete this again. Okay, we need to see. Okay, in this we need to add. Okay, in this we need to add JSON form. Okay, in this we need to add this one. Okay, in this we added all the things we need, and in this name we need to add JSON generation, and string was going same, and we need to execute step. We need to start, and I need a blue apple. Your choice, you need. Okay, starting, and here we go. It's give me a phone name and all the things. It's give to ChatGPT. Okay, in this we need to add ChatGPT. OpenAI. Okay, here you go, OpenAI, and we need to add message model. Okay, in message model we need to choose a model. I have 4 mini, and we need to see. Okay, 4 mini. In this we need to add this, and we need to put on this. Okay, and this we need to add output contain as JSON, and we need to start it. First we need to pin it, because I don't need to again. Okay, we need to start it. Okay, it's starting, and it takes some time. Okay, it's creating, and here we go. It's giving me all the data, and second step. Okay, we need to add some sheets. Okay, in this we need to create a in this note we are creating. Okay, in this we creating in input equals to input equals to and take form. Oh, here you go, it is great. And second thing we need, we can color it. Okay, I need this color and we need to duplicate it and we need to add on this area. And okay, we need to delete it. I need to make it better. I can make and we need to see. Okay, here we go, all the things were good. And we need to add on this ChatGPT again, and in this we need to add image generation, generate an image. In this we need to like this and add this form to make image better. Okay, okay, I make a mistake. Okay, we need to execute it. Okay, it's not giving me true to copy paste it. Okay, we need to see. Okay, it's also showing me right. Okay, what we need to do is, okay, it's showing me usually, and we need to add. Okay, we need to start it. Okay, we need to pin also. Okay, I have a mistake. We need to see. Okay, we need to put it again. Okay, we need to put it again. Okay, it's put. And what we need to do is delete this. Okay, we need to see it's working. Okay, when it start, I need blue apple and submit it, and it's running. Okay, it's running. It's make better. Okay, it's running and it's giving me the right. Okay, the image was generating and we need to put on Google Drive. Here we go, the Google Drive, and we need to add upload file. Yes, we need to add upload file, and we need to add name, everything, and the name was this. Okay, we need to copy and paste on this area. Okay, the image take time. Okay, it's take too much time and it is creating. I will talk you when it is make. Okay, it's make. Need to view. Okay, it's create very good image and high level. Okay, we need to upload on Google Drive and we need to start executing. Okay, starting. Okay, the item was here. We need to see on Google Drive. Okay, I am in Google Drive. Okay, here we go, the blue apple, and we need to see on. Okay, the apple was here and it's like very good. And thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to creating keywords and title, description, and URL. First of all, we need a on schedule. Okay, in this we need to add some timetables. Okay, we need to add 9 p.m. Okay, and we need to start workflow. Okay, one item was here. Okay, the data was going. Okay, the data was going, and what we need is adding did field. Okay, in this we need to add some things. Okay, we need to add keywords to create keywords, and in value we need to add n8n. Okay, in this string was good, and what we need is excuse the step. Okay, the data was here and the keyword was n8n. Okay, you can change the keyword you want, and I can change it to I need make.com. Make.com. Okay. Okay, we need to start it, and here we go. The make.com was the keyword was here. Okay. Okay, what we need to add an agent. First we need to assemble. Okay. Okay, we need to add AI agent. What we need is add AI agent, and we need to change the name to okay, what we need change the name. Okay, we add this name, and in this we need to add a URL. What we need to add on this URL, we need to okay, what we need is define below, and in this front we need to add this, and the keyword was put on this area. Okay. Okay, what we need is start executing. Okay, we need to add required field argument. Okay. Okay, we need to start executing. Okay, it's running, and the data was not giving, and we need to add a chat model. We using ChatGPT and Mini. We need to execute. Okay, it's running. Okay, here we go. Okay, and in this we need to add and this we need to add autofix, and in this okay, in this we need to add model, and we need to choose okay, I need to choose model ChatGPT, and in this we need to add structure output, and in this we need to add like this. Okay, and what we need is start executing. Okay, it's running, and we need to see it's working. Okay, it's work, and we need to see the data was correct. Okay, the data was correct. What we need it is to put and change to code. Okay, in this code we need to add something to make it better. Okay, we need to change to JSON. Okay, and we need to execute. The 5 items was here, and here we okay, what we need it is put on to Google Sheet, and we need to add Google Sheet. Okay, here we go, and we need to add or update in raw sheet, and in this we need to add my worksheet. Okay, we need okay, what we need I need install it again and fix it, name, all things. What we need is okay, we need to what we need is need for list, and in this we by and by ID, by URL, by name, and in this it's not showing. We need to sign in again. Okay, I sign in it again, and here we go. I have the list, but in this we need to add manual, or you want I need to automatic, and What we need is we need to start executing. Okay, here we go. I have all the things we have to add rank when what we need, and in this we see okay. The title was here, the rank was here, and the title was is automation platforms, and the URL and all the the descriptions and okay it is creating very good and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.